I'm gonna show you how to make homemade rice. Use jasmine rice because it's the best. So I'll take half a bell pepper, slice it up like that. 1/4 onion, same thing. I use black pepper, garlic salt, ground comino, and then this is where the juice comes in. And then also, so be careful with this. You put too much, it can get real salty. Same thing, all this stuff right here, if you put too much of it, it can get real salty. I'll season to flavor. I'll season it, I'll mix it all around, I'll taste the juice, and then I get what I want. If it's too much, then I'll cut it back with some water. I add more water in there. But what I'm gonna do is 1 cup of jasmine rice, 2 cups of water. If you like your rice dry, then you put like 1.5 cup. If you like it real like moisty, or like some people make it with like a little bit of juice in there, then you go to 3 to 3.5 cups. And then you put your rice in there, and then once all your ingredients is in there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put olive oil in there with 1 cup of jasmine rice inside here, and I'm gonna brown it a little bit. Once I brown it, that's when I put 2 cups of water, and then I start adding my seasoning, my vegetables, and then I start tasting it. And when I get that flavor that I like, and you put the lid on it after you start boiling, and then you set a timer for 15 minutes. And when the 15 minutes is up, take it off the stove and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then serve it. It's gonna be delicious. 1 cup of jasmine rice. This is the olive oil that I use. 1 tablespoon. Drop it in there. You throw your rice in there. Once you throw your rice in there, you put your fire on medium. I put mine on medium, and then you just start mixing it. Make sure you coat that rice. Make sure every grain gets olive oil on it. And then you just keep doing this. Don't let it sit, because it will burn. And that's it. You have to start over. Just keep doing this until it browns. After about 7 minutes of browning it, that's what it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna take it off the heat for now. All you're trying to do is just make some of them look like that, kind of brown. I'll show you at the end. It looks good. After you brown the rice, put 2 cups of water in there. I'm gonna do 1 spoon of this. Kind of just sprinkle it in there. And this is all you need, because when you start adding the other ingredients, it's gonna get salty. My pepper, I just look at it. And then a little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of ground comino. Very little, because this stuff's kind of strong. Got a real strong flavor. And then I'm going in with bell pepper and onions. Gonna mix all this stuff up. Once I mix all this stuff up, I'm gonna transfer it to the back, because I gotta make some other stuff too. So all I'm gonna do is bring that to a boil. I'm gonna put my fire a little high. All I'm looking for is for that juice to start boiling. Once it starts to boil, I'm gonna put it on low. I'm gonna put a lid on it, and I'm gonna simmer it for 15 minutes. And then once the 15 minutes is up, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you're good to go. So now that I got it boiling, I'm gonna put my heat on low. I'm gonna put a lid on it, and then I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes, and then I'll show you what the results look like. I got the lid on, got my timer on, Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I've been simmering for 15 minutes with the lid on. Now the time is up. So I'm gonna leave the lid on. I'm gonna remove it from where the heat was originally at. And I'm just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, take the lid off, fluff it with a fork, and you're good to go. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna fluff it. That's it. That's all. When I say fluff it, that's all I mean. You can see how it's nice, juicy, and tender. And that's what it looks like right there. That's how you make homemade rice. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.